Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indo Jinil no Wakwe Zone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukwuno Soul Captures. Ndebanye, ana m egelonu. Apa m Chukwuno Soul Captures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the digital makeup artist. And this is another episode of the Igbo name of the day, giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's give it up for EJ. All right, so thank you, EJ, for sending in your request for the Igbo name.